Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make some pizza dogs. I'm going to start out here with a roll of crescent rolls. These are the kind you get in the refrigerated department of your store. And I'm going to take some pepperoni. And I have hot dogs here. And I'm going to put some pepperoni on my hot dogs, about 2 slices. And I'm going to go ahead and roll them up in the crescent roll. And they don't have to be fancy, just get the crescent roll around there. I'm going to go ahead and get all my hot dogs put together real quick. Alright, I got all of my hot dogs wrapped up. This is 16 hot dogs. That was 2 packs of hot dogs and 2 packs of crescent rolls. It worked out fine. There was 16 in the 2 packs of each. I'm going to put this in a 375 degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes so the crescent rolls are golden brown and fluffed up. Alright guys, these just came out of the oven. They actually took 20 minutes because with the moisture of the hot dog and the pepperoni it took a little longer. You also want to make sure that you're nice and crispy and toasted because we're going to put pizza sauce in this and we want it to hold up to that. Now I'm going to do one to show you how I'm doing them, and then I'll just go ahead and do the rest of them off camera. I'm going to put a little pizza sauce on there. And I have some sliced mozzarella cheese. You could also use shredded, but this here is going to give you a more controlled, I'm going to get fancy here, more controlled application of the cheese on your pizza dogs. And I'm going to rip a slice in half because I don't have enough to put a whole slice on one of them. And then I'm going to put some Italian seasoning on top of that. Alright, now that I have sauce and cheese and all these, I'm going to put them back in that 375 degree oven for about a minute or two. It won't take long because the cheese is thin, just till it melts and the sauce heats through. These were in the oven for about 3 minutes. The cheese is all melted, the sauce is heated, they're ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, let me get in here and give this a try. See the crispy croissant sticking out there. Some hot dog. Cheesy. It's really good, guys. You get the sweet crispiness of the crescent roll, the Italian pizza sauce, that cheese is nice and melted and delicious, the Italian seasoning, the pepperoni, and then the hot dog. Really quick, really easy, and really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Pizza dogs. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.